So I've just picked a baby, what's getting on everything, a baby papaya. I didn't think this would ripen. I left it on the tree thinking it was going to get bigger, but it didn't. It's just kind of ripened and it's soft. So I'm thinking, what do you want to say? You don't even like papaya. Anyway, so I'm going to cut it open and see what it looks like inside. So join me. So I've just cut into this one, and the inside is more orange than the other ones that I have grown. They were kind of more red inside, and I'm going to taste it to see how it tastes. Oh, it's kind of creamy. Yep, it's nice. Look at all the seeds. So you can tell when it's becoming overripe. So normally when you cut it open, the seeds are coated like that, and when it's becoming overripe, move out of the way, they start to get crinkly. So and they dry up like that, yeah. And I'm gonna replant these because this is probably a different variety to the ones that I've grown before. So it grew smaller. I've got like 3 others on the tree. They're quite tiny, and maybe with the rain that we're getting, it might help them grow a bit more. But if not, it's quite nice, quite sweet, and it's delicious. And it's I'm pleased. And I even remembered, like, I washed the skin, and it was just like, I don't have to wash it with like there's no chemicals in there, so I don't have to worry. And even when you peel it, you can go as low as you want, so you get as much as the fruit as possible, because there's nothing in the skin. So I'm going to scoop out these seeds. I think there's probably not as many seeds as others because of the size, but these are seeds that can be planted and create additional trees. Imagine each one of these seeds is a papaya tree in the making, which will, bring forth an untold number of papayas per tree. All right, so thank you for watching. He wants his piece now. I gave him a tiny bit and he ate it, so it looks like he likes papaya now. Or he likes this particular one. So I'm gonna cut it up and share it with the family and enjoy. Thank you for watching. If this is your first time, please do like and subscribe. Tell me what you've been growing and the successes you've had. If we share our successes and failures, we all grow. So I'm pleased with this. I didn't think this particular tree would survive, but it did. With the mistake I made with putting Vicks Vapor Rub and petroleum jelly around the base of the tree, thinking that would get rid of the slugs and the snails. It didn't. And so I just had to come out whenever it rained. I had to come out and just pick them off. But you learn by trial and error, and I'm really pleased at this, the results for this. So yeah, take care for now and see you soon.